This just in! Macy's playing guitar at the coffee shop.
Hey everybody, it's great to be back at the Skyway Starbucks where I started my career, and I had a lot of coffee drinks here, and this song which I wrote was inspired after 5 cups of Starbucks coffee. Okay, oh, I dropped my pick, hold on a second. Okay, now I'm ready.
Take the Skyway high above the busy little one-way. In my stupid hat and gloves at night I lie awake.
Dude, I think he's totally lip-syncing. You suck. Dude, I'm gonna throw my phone in the sun. Kill. I could use the total douchebags. Let's get the fuck out of here.
Fucking take that motherfucker! It's got bombs when it's cold like any other place. So I'm up inside, sitting down and waiting for a ride beneath the Skyway.